I came to Dr. Baritz because he has been my savior many times.
I came here with some inflammation issues that I never had in the past, I never experienced before, and I really was in need of some advice. So I came to see Dr. Baritz, and I've been very surprised and happy with the results.
The biggest breakthrough I think I've had after seeing Dr. Baritz for nearly a year has been with this combination of his acupuncture treatments and the nutrition program I've been going through with him. The acupuncture treatments have helped most probably the most with my Achilles tendinosis, which I have been suffering with for about 6 months to a year before I came to him, and he showed me the treatment in his office, and it was very useful to go home and watch the videos to reinforce the acupressure points that I could treat myself with, and I was doing that 2 to 3 times a day initially. Now I'm not having to do it at all. I've gone from having real problems walking to feeling no pain at all, and this is after seeing physical therapists and doctors for the treatment. So that was most probably the largest breakthrough I've had, thanks to the acupuncture.
So I came here. I like the natural is better, so I met with Dr. Baritz, and then I started putting my points, and it was nice because I felt that the appointment, he took the time to understand what I needed.
I've been using the acupressure points at home with the Tei Shin for several months now, maybe almost 6 months. An amazing difference that I feel every time I do these. I've been watching Dr. Baritz's videos. I've been doing them in his office as well, so he's shown me how to use them. But then if I ever have another issue, I can find a video and find those spots. They're easy to do on your own, and they make a tremendous difference.
I started seeing Dr. Baritz about 2 weeks ago. We started doing some acupunctures, and he gave me some supplements to take. I was experiencing some fatigue with constipation, and overall I had some physical and mental health that I wanted to work with, and I took the supplements for about 2 weeks, and I've seen a significant change in overall my health. I've been going to the bathroom normal every single day. Sleep has been amazing for me, as I struggled with sleeping and falling asleep and staying asleep. Just doing my acupunctures at home, doing my pressures at home with the needle that he did obviously recommend from the office, that also helped as well.
I've been a follower, I guess you'd say, of Dr. Baritz's methods of the acupuncture, because it's been extremely helpful for me.
Been a patient of Dr. Baritz for many years, and now have started the acupuncture. I've been doing that for several months now and feel very well.
The biggest breakthroughs that I've had working with Dr. Baritz's videos have to do with relief of pain and soreness and stiffness by using the acupressure methods in the videos. I've had great relief.
I have been dealing with IBS since about 2016 and migraines for a very long time. I started here with the chiropractor and for my sciatic pain, and through that I kept seeing the signs for Baritz, holistic healing, and I figured at this point, after so many years of trying modern and different ways of doing things and finding no solution, why not try something else? And I've been coming here about a month. I'm a little bit over a month now, and between the supplements and the videos and everything, I've been feeling a lot better. I can feel that I am getting better every single day, and the videos that Dr. Baritz has had me do and follow are easy. They're pretty simple. They show exactly where it is. And it's it's nothing like brain science. I go home and I lay down and I listen to him and I watch and I do my points, and I come in every 2 weeks and just work on just feeling better, and truthfully, it's been one of the nicest things that I've found in a while after being in so much pain. So it's nice to each day not feel as much pain as the day before.
It's because I was having some tension in my mid to low back that that chiropractic was helping, but I felt like I needed more emotional support with what was going on there. So I presented that to Dr. Baritz, and he tested me and found some of the trauma ease for the Chinese herbs that really have helped, as well as acupuncture points that he's been working, and the spasms that I've been having since COVID have recently subsided. So it took, just a short time regarding focusing on that for me to find relief, which was amazing.
I did the cleanse, Dr. Baritz's cleanse, because, to clean out my liver. And I was doing the keto diet and it slowed down. I was eating the keto, but it would just stay the same. It didn't, anyway, so we did that. And what I noticed is that it got me very familiar with what my body likes. And the first 9 days, I just couldn't believe how good I felt. I felt very energetic. I felt very light, and food was easy to digest. We're eating just fruits and vegetables, and I thought I would be really hungry, but actually it felt really good. And then I started to add protein because I felt like I needed some, and that was okay. But I really got to see the value of eating really good food. We were eating just like squashes with mushrooms and peppers and a little bit of quinoa, and it just felt really good. Yeah, the body felt like it was cleansing. Actually, it just felt energetic and light. And we were very happy. We were getting a lot done. Didn't get in my way of anything. So yeah, it was a good experience.
I've been on the keto diet for about 2 years, and I noticed that I slowed down in my ability to burn fat. And so Dr. Baritz suggested the fat burning, and that's what I used to get rid of the sludginess and the slowdown of my fat burning. And after doing this program, I have a lot more energy, and I can tell my liver is ready and roaring to dump some more fat off my body.
So I noticed that the migraine headaches actually started to go away. I just didn't have them frequently, and I started to make sure that I did my daily acupuncture routine on a consistent basis, and I rarely have migraine headaches right now.
He also taught me the benefits of acupuncture. So at home I've been doing acupuncture on my own, and also here in the office when I come for treatment.
I feel more energy, I feel healthier, even happier, and I definitely recommend them. It's a great opportunity. Dr. Baritz is amazing, insightful, so competent and thorough, and everyone gets an individualized treatment. Absolutely recommend 100%.
So that being said, it is very easy to use them. I never realized how simple acupuncture could be, or that I could do it myself, and extremely beneficial to my body and my mind. So I would definitely promote this for anyone interested in having a better life.
I highly recommend them. They're easy to do, and all you need is your internet to do it.
This is the most amazing office. Everyone's so loving and caring, and such great listeners, and they are able to help you with your needs.
The videos are very educational. They're very easy. They're very, very straightforward. They're not hard to do, as in it's a lot of self-explanatory, and it's a lot of, again, easy 1, 2, 3 steps. I'm really grateful that Dr. Baritz's office is here, and that I found him and his team many years ago, and hopefully I can continue to come here for years to come and stay well.